Find a comfortable, quiet spot and let's begin. Today we're creating a classic lattice smocked piece on this lovely peach linen. Lay your fabric flat on a smooth surface. You can tape down the corners gently so it stays in place. If your fabric has a distinct front and back, always work on the wrong side. Take your pen or pencil and a ruler to mark your grid. We're placing dots every 2 centimeters horizontally and 7 dots down the right side vertically. Connect the dots to build a grid of a clean 2 centimeter squares. Take your time with the ruler, there's no rush. With our grid complete, we now have 26 boxes across and 6 boxes down, 156 perfectly spaced squares, all ready for smocking. Now let's mark where we will stitch. We will draw diagonal lines inside specific boxes to show where the fabric pulls together. On the first horizontal line of your grid, draw diagonal lines slanting in the same direction across every alternate box. On the second line, draw your diagonal lines slanting in the opposite direction. Skip a box between each diagonal and repeat this alternating flow across all 6 rows. Take a quiet moment here to enjoy the geometric pattern before we start stitching. Thread your needle with matching sewing thread and tie a firm knot at the end. Starting at the top left corner, catch both ends of your first diagonal line on the needle. Bring the 2 corners together, make 2 tiny, precise anchor stitches through both points and secure with a knot before cutting your thread. After completing your first stitch, snip the thread, tie a small secure knot at the end, and you're ready to move smoothly to the next grid point. As you move from box to box, let the repetitive motion quiet your mind. Feel the thread slide through the linen. Hand stitching is a wonderful way to unwind and release stress. Just focus on the gentle rhythm of your hands. As you complete the final stitch of this first row, pause for a moment to look at the back. See how those neat geometric triangle shapes are starting to form? Now we move to the second row. Notice how our marked diagonal lines slant in the opposite direction this time. Here is a helpful tip for planning your sizes. This smocking reduces your fabric size by about half. For this project, our flat 46 by 12 cm grid gathers down to a finished 26 by 5 cm panel. So whenever you plan a project, just double the length of your desired finished measurement. As you complete each row, you will see clean triangle shapes forming on the back, while a luxurious pillowy lattice pattern appears on the right side. Bring a touch of timeless charm to your wardrobe by adding lattice smocking to dress sleeves or neckline yokes. A simple 5 cm smocked band elevates a minimalist linen blouse into an heirloom garment. Because smocking gathers the fabric naturally, it creates a soft tailored taper at the wrist without needing heavy elastics. To finish the top and bottom edges neatly, pinch each natural ruffle fold and secure it with a tiny tack stitch. This keeps the borders flat and makes sewing the panel into your cushion cover or garment seamless. To give it that soft professional finish, gently smooth your hand over the fabric to settle the interior cushion pad into the corners. Look at that elegant, clean finish. Try this technique on dress sleeves, tote bag accents, or throw pillows using soft cottons, velvets, or linen.